All right, welcome back, everybody. Sorry about the slow start to the week. I have a little back injury that I'm dealing with, but I'm upright and feeling much better today, so that's a good thing. GE115, you all are going to start your project. So I guess after laying in bed for a few days, I decided we're going to go for this project. Usually we do this in person, so this will be interesting to see how this works. At the college, we have a laser cutter. And what a laser cutter is you put material in and it'll cut a pattern. What you're going to do is create those patterns and design a lamp, a desk lamp, to be constructed from your pieces that I will cut for you. So each student is going to get a certain amount of material, and each student is going to get a lamp kit. So hopefully you can see this. This is the lamp kit that you will receive and put together. So I'm thinking maybe you will come to campus to put these together if you can do that. If you can't, then I'll assemble it for you. But you are going to do the complete design of a laser cut desk lamp. All right, so I'm not foolish. I know that there's a Google out there and there's the internet, and this has probably been done before, and I was actually correct. So there are a lot of laser cut desk lamps out there, as you can see, and you'll be able to go online and see these things. You only have so much material available, and I put that information up, I think under Wednesday of week 8 this week. So you can see that. It's a piece of plexiglass. It's 1/8 inch thickness, and it is 24 inches by 24 inches square. Each student will get that material. So your lamp has to hold the light bulb up and operate. It has to be at least 6 connected parts. No glue. So these are just going to snap together, or they're going to interlock somehow. And there is a lot of information online on how to make interlocking connections. And there's many of these available to look at online. I don't want you to copy one that you find online. I don't want you to download a drawing set for one of these. I want you to create it, and I want it to be your own design. But you can use one of these as, you know, a starting concept. Like there's many of them out here that would work for this project. Remember, you have to have at least 6 connecting parts. And that's just to be average. Okay, so that's like a C design, unless it was super cool somehow, right? So if you're looking for a B or an A, you're going to have to go with more connecting parts and a little more complexity. But I think you'll find it's pretty hard to do a 6. Like that's difficult. So you're going to need more than that. But there are all kinds of these things out there. There are some very fancy ones that require you to do some kind of adjusting. I'm not requiring that. Yours can be fixed. No connections. In other words, we're not going to bolt anything together. We want to just interlock it or connect it somehow. And again, you know, there's all kinds of these systems out there that you can make. The plan is really for you to design this, maybe with pencil and paper first, then go to AutoCAD and make a full drawing set. And then from your drawing set, we're going to put them into a flat pattern cut. And I'll talk about that a lot more as we get closer to the actual cutting with the laser. If you want to come in and do the cut, that'd be fantastic. I'll be there for you. We'll set up some times for that. But if you just want me to cut it for you because you can't come in, I understand that, and we'll go from there. We'll figure it out. The project's not fully defined yet. In other words, I don't have documents up to exactly explain what's required, but this is to get you started. You should start putting together your concept of your desk lamp, okay? And again, you can get lots of ideas from the internet. That one's not laser cut. That looks like it's 3D printed. This one looks laser cut, right? Lots of different parts and pieces, you know, lots of swoopy stuff. This is beyond complicated, not what I'm looking for, but there's simpler ones out there that you can look at. And I know you will. So that's what good engineering is. We do look at what's been done before us. And then what you're going to create is a flat pattern. This is, I'm not sure exactly. Oh, this is a desk lamp. Oof, this must be some kind of adjustable thing. So not what I'm looking for, right? You can keep it simple. I'm okay with that. Here's a really pretty simple one. Remember, we only have 1/8 inch material, so you're not going to be able to use a single member for this kind of stuff. But yeah, there's lots of this stuff out there. So look through it all and then come up with your own design. Your first step on this project is to give me a sketch. So that will be due in a few days. Today is Tuesday, so I might make it due on Friday type of thing. But we got to get cracking on this because you have a lot of drawing work to do, and you have a lot of design work to do, and you have a lot of preparation to cut. And then there'll be some assembly that you'll have to do. You've got to think about cord management. So you will have a cord that does go to a plugin. So you can look at that lamp kit. I do have that up that you will receive and have to work with and design with. So there's definitely some constraints to the project. So, all right, good luck. That's what we're working on. I'll put up all the details. I'll have that up today. And you'll be able to see it Wednesday for sure. So, all right. Super excited about doing a project. Love projects. All right, we'll talk to you all soon.